Hello everyone, it's Ian from Mako Create here, and this is our digital story for Halton Lea Library.
Halton Lea Library is attached to the shopping city in Runcorn. If you're travelling via bus, the bus stop is just up these stairs. When you come down, the library's on your right. If you're travelling by car and have parked in the shopping city car park, you'll need to walk down this tunnel and follow the signs for Halton Lea Library until you get to the main entrance.
From here, you can go through and see what's on every single floor. There are 3 floors to the library. It's a lovely open space with lots and lots of books to choose from.
There's lots of comfy chairs with tables for you to relax in, and there's even a dedicated children's section. There's plenty of computer facilities for you to use, and there's dedicated space for library events and activities.
When we run sessions here, we tend to use the meeting rooms downstairs, so you have access to these through the stairwell or via the lift. So once you get down to the level 1, these are the rooms that we tend to use. They're called meeting rooms. There's a few of them just down here. If you're not sure where to go, the library staff are on hand to help you, tell you exactly which room that we will be in. If we take a look inside room number 2, right here, you will see we're all set up and ready to go. So this is what the meeting rooms look like. Tables and chairs all set out nicely for us to do our activities. And as you can see, toilets for these rooms that we use are just across the corridor, just a few footsteps away.